carpet just about everywhere we go.
Thinner than that looks. Overcooked it a little bit. No problem. Gonna spin the cue ball round. Needs to go. Here we go. Yeah, cue ball comes round. Absolutely perfect. 1-0. Missed the one ball in the side. He's made it quite often. It's gone in the corner. Another ball's gone in as well.
That was always the concern, right? With the inside ball, we see these guys miss it more often than not because of the new cloth. It's tough to judge.
Cloths are a little easier. The cues are probably made a little better. The tips, the chalk. Maybe you can just get more out of it in the modern era. Good shot there from Shane.
Can play the 6-9, but he loves to thump them. Put a little inside on it so that he didn't fall straight on the 5. Yeah, it's a shot he practices for hours at a time. For that very reason.
Wasn't his best.
No, it looked like the back arm dropped a little bit.
Rip this back, or will he stay around that area and just take his medicine? There's your answer, Carl.
And not only that, just a few weeks prior, he'd fried his hand up cooking a steak, so he was injured as well. So he had all the excuses 12 months ago.
And it's proving to be working because he's well up near the top of the table. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, he currently sits in 3rd, but he's played a match less than.
Yeah, played to go into the 9 there, maybe a bit firm. Yeah, no problem. Looking at the 2-rail line, I think it's wide open. Can come 1 rail up. These guys love the outside ball, and he could just pinch that even better.
Francisco Sanchez Ruiz is here, former winner of the PLP. Fran, just a quick word. I want to know what it's like playing in this event.
It's so strong too. I mean, it's one of the toughest tournaments so far. So many rack, so many matches. It's gonna be difficult.
Fran, how's the paddle tennis going recently? We've got a big match.
Oh, the 9 was tracking directly towards the left side, and I believe the brown 7 ruined the party. I did think he might chip the top of the 2 and go up there behind the pink and the 9, but it's easy for that ball to lengthen out. That's the only problem.
Little tester coming up. But it's okay when you're SVB, you just find the middle of the pocket.
Just get past the 7 here. Oh, he is feeling okay.
Yeah, for me, he's the best in the world. With distance, it doesn't matter where it is, he can thump the ball in. So good with the cue ball, isn't he? You know, just all the time. Doesn't matter what shot he's got to play. He's just brilliant with the cue ball. And I think Edward got the win. Sanjin is not looking good.
Yeah, a lot of pressure on Sanjin this week. He's also, you know, kind of a host of the event. Doing a lot around here.
You used to have a pool room, Scott. You know better than anyone how difficult it must be to play pool.
Well, that's really when I quit, right? 2017, I announced my retirement. And it was all over after that, Carl. You can't play pool and operate a pool room. It's nearly impossible.
Well, we've seen a small comeback last week at the European Open. Is this going to be a thing moving forward for us?
No.
Take a look at the break. We don't know how many years we've got left viewing the break. Probably not many if he keeps breaking like that.
I don't know if Shane was just experimenting there. Oh, what a hit this was. Coming towards the green. I think he will be fine. Wouldn't mind coming towards the right side of the green here. That needs to carry.
Yeah, stand by your beds.
Just touched the 5 as he was looking. That will be ball in hand. Well, every inch of his being is also competitive. Both of these guys probably want to win this match more than any other match in the event.
But it's more SVB who desperately needs the wins. And maybe Jason's thinking if he can beat Shane, that's going to make it a possibility.
Yeah, I'm sure that would break his heart. A little rub on the 6 there. He can draw above the 8 or come around. Yeah, might even come between. No problem killing it off that second rail, but is the bridge hampered a little bit here, Carl?
That natural path, probably with a bit of right spin.
Yeah, what a great view this is.
Yeah, here comes the rock, but that's a little light as well. Listen, you're still back. If you don't quite hit the centre of the cue ball, the 8 can squirt. Obviously, you won't know this, Scott, because you've grown up around what we in England call it American pool. And a lot of my friends over the years when they've come round to my house.
Ah, well, something must have happened there.
Yeah, obviously the arena's been set up, and you know, if you was to come to watch a few of these matches, the front row, right around the tables, you're in touching distance. I think everything's fine. I think he's over-egged it. I think he's having a go at a few of the lads up front row, but listen, it's all fun and games.
Well, that's what I said, though, right? Like, as soon as he touched the 5, he had looked off, and typically Jason doesn't look away from the table. Just to the right of the screen, right there, there's a couple of guys sitting, maybe 3 of them, sitting in the... Uh-oh. Yeah, sitting in the front row, Carl. Maybe a little steam coming off the top of Shaw's head here. The beauty of our sport, Carl, is that you can get close and personal, right? And I think that's a great thing for the players and the fans. And you've got to expect things like this to happen from time to time. Shaw, he'll shake it off.
Yes, I mean, listen, people go to work every single day. Maybe Shaw's just having one of them. Well, SVB has won the match 5 racks.